Welcome to this tutorial on how to apply Poshmark coupons. Poshmark is a popular social commerce platform where users can buy and sell new or gently used clothing and accessories. Applying coupons on Poshmark can help you save money on your purchases. To start, you need to have a Poshmark account and be logged in. If you don't have an account, you can create one for free. Once logged in, browse through the platform and find an item you want to purchase. Make sure the item is from a seller who accepts coupons, as not all sellers do. When you find an item you like, click on it to view the details. Look for the Apply Coupon button, usually located below the price of the item. Click on this button to enter your coupon code. If you don't have a coupon code, you can search online for available Poshmark coupons or check your email for any coupons sent by Poshmark. Enter your coupon code in the space provided and click Apply. The discount will be deducted from the original price of the item. Review your order to ensure the coupon was applied correctly. If the coupon is not working, check the expiration date and any terms or conditions that may apply. Some key things to keep in mind when using coupons on Poshmark. Only one coupon can be used per order, so choose the one that gives you the best discount. Also, coupons may not be combined with other offers or discounts. Make sure to read the terms and conditions of each coupon to understand any restrictions. In addition to using coupons, Poshmark often offers other ways to save money, such as sales and bundle discounts. You can also earn money by selling your own items on the platform. By following these steps and taking advantage of the savings opportunities on Poshmark, you can enjoy shopping on the platform while staying within your budget.